Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the ultimate hammer curl tutorial for arm wrestling. Hey, it's Cal from OG. It's very exciting to see you. So because I had a ton of requests about exercises and how to do them, so substitute exercises. I know that many of you don't have a cable machine, don't have where to put it, or you still haven't enrolled in my Ultimate Arm Wrestling Toolset course, so you don't know how to make it. If you haven't, enroll, the link is in the description, otherwise let's go. So, the hammer curl. This is a foundational exercise for arm wrestling. You need this exercise for every type of game there is. Today I'm showing you the most simple way to do it, which is with a dumbbell, and I will show you the 3 different types of variations for this exercise. So let's begin. So first of all, we have the dumbbell here, which is a standard dumbbell. It's the heavy type of iron that is in every gym. As far as you can see, I have this specially made because it is with different types of weights. Doesn't matter, the normal one in your gym will do the work. So basically what you want to do is place the heavier part, if there is one, on the top side. So how you want to do this exercise is like so. You want to curl to this direction. You don't want to go further, you don't want to go to the top. You want to curl in this direction, and the angle on this side is as so. You see? So the strength wise, you want to do it for arm wrestling is with this angle. You want to go in the direction to your shoulder, and that way you're going to flex the most out of your rotator. This is it. So basically you want to do this exercise with 5-6 sets with 6 or 7 repetitions, because it's a muscular exercise. I don't think you should do it isometrically. The thing you should do as a variation is on the bench, which I'm going to show you now. An important thing that I should tell you between those exercises is that you want to lead with the knuckle, and you want to put the heaviest part on the top. So leading with the knuckle is almost like holding the top in arm wrestling. You go with the knuckle and the thumb, and you're leading the movement in that direction with it. So if you watched over the top, you know whoever gets the better position at the top most of the times wins. So it's very important for us to be in a comfortable position on the top. So the idea here is that you do it again on the side of your shoulder, and again with a slight twist, so it's not like that, it's not straight down, it's a little bit of a twist, and going down and then up to the shoulder. So this is forcing the rotation to contract in the right arm wrestling movement. The other type of exercise with the bench is doing it but on 90 degrees. So I've shown you 90 degrees exercises. You know what is the principle, I guess. Do the slide curl. You're aiming for the position of your shoulder, extend till 90 degrees, and then curl it back. So the angle is something like this much, and do it again. So this is it, guys, basically. Remember to do it clean, not tilting and waving around. Make it with the right direction, so you're making an arm wrestling movement. And always lead with the knuckle and lead with the heavy part on the top. This is it for today, guys. Subscribe to the channel. See you again next time.